Okay, Gurucha explains now. Yes, you with confused face and empty snack bag. Sit, no scream. Gurucha talk about scary money storm. Big words come, brain survive. Humans love to buy shiny food, warm coffee, big truck. But imagine this, prices go up like volcano boom, while jobs fall down like sleepy mammoth. That weird thing called stagflation. Fancy word mean three-headed beast. Stagnant growth, high inflation, high unemployment. You fill gas tank. Yesterday cost $40. Today, $45. Tomorrow, brain cry. Boss maybe cut your hours because business slow. You get no raise, but rent eat wallet anyway. Economy no grow, but prices grow teeth. Economists long ago say, that never happened. Like fish climb tree. Huh? 1970s proof fish got ladder. Think of it like hunting season gone raw. Deer hide, berries rot, but firewood seller demand 10 mammoth teeth for one stick. Tribe starve and freeze. That is stagflation. Basically, money world get fever and cough at same time. Brain sad. Hear why stagflation scary like saber tooth in Dart Cave. Inflation erodes savings. Your hard-earned dollars shrink every sunrise. Bank account may show same numbers, but each number buy less bread, less coffee, less fun. Unemployment cuts income. Boss freeze hiring or swing axe on jobs. Paycheck vanish while prices run marathon. Policy tools fight each other. Central bank try to raise interest rates to kill inflation. Good for prices, bad for jobs. Cut rates to help jobs. Good for work, bad for prices. Tea like trying to fight fire with both water and gasoline at same time. You think maybe government magic fix? Ha! Fed stuck like mammoth in tar pit. Picture your 401k looking like skinny squirrel after long winter. Grocery bill fatter than angry bear. Mortgage rate climb mountain while your paycheck hides under rock. You feel trapped between two angry spirits. One burns your money, one steals your job. Basically, economy give you wedge from both sides. You can't win. Brain panic. Flashback to 1970s. Bell bottom swish, disco ball spin, but outside, pure chaos. OPEC say, no oil for you. So gas stations look like endless mammoth migration. People wait hours for few gallons. Inflation jumped past 13%. Unemployment over 8%. President Ford hand out win buttons like magic talisman. Spoiler, but not stop prices. Fed print too much money before. Wages chase prices. Prices chase wages. Spiral of doom. Imagine New York night, staying alive, on radio, while drivers sit in car line, so long beard grow extra inch. Whole tribe learn new word, stagflation. Economists eat humble pie bigger than Texas. Basically, disco party outside, economic doom inside. Humans dance while wallet burns. Stagflation, no magic curse, an ugly beast with two angry heads. Head 1, supply shock, oil embargo, war, pandemic, ships stuck like lazy turtles. Stuff gets scarce, prices leap like panther. Head 2, policy oops. Central bank keep interest rates too low, government spin like mammoth drunk on berry wine. Too many dollars chase, too few goods. Prices climb while factories slow. Modern world still have same traps. Energy spikes, global conflicts, broken supply chains. If leaders print too many dollars while goods hide, beast wake again. So how you fight beast? Grow many income spears, side hustle, new skills, maybe freelance hunt. Keep emergency meat stash, 3 to 6 moons of savings. Hold assets that fight inflation. Tips, some real estate, strong company stocks. Stay calm. Panic make bad trade, like swamp mammoth for squirrel. Remember hero Paul Volcker in early 1980s. Fed chair raise interest rates near 20%. Pain big, recession deep, but beast finally die. Sometimes tribe must burn weeds to save forest. Basically, prepare like winter never end. Tribe survive. Stagflation rare but real, like saber tooth hiding in cave. Lesson, stay flexible, watch inflation numbers. Protect power of your dollar. Upgrade skills so job not vanish when market sneeze. Spread savings, no put all nuts in one tree. Diversify income, keep emergency stash, stay alert. You laugh with Gurucha now, but smart tribe ready before storm.
That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad.